Imagine sipping tea brewed from fresh, homegrown herbs, bursting with flavor and aroma. Ready to make this dream a reality? Let's dive into growing your own tea garden and transform your tea drinking experience. First, choose the right spot for your tea garden. Tea herbs thrive in sunny locations, so find a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Ensure the soil is well draining, as most herbs don't like to sit in waterlogged soil. Next, select your herbs. Here are some fantastic options to get you started. Mint is a refreshing staple for any tea garden. Peppermint and spearmint are popular choices. Just be mindful mint can be invasive, so it's best to plant it in a pot. Next up, chamomile. Known for its calming properties, chamomile produces delicate, daisy-like flowers that make a soothing tea. Opt for German chamomile, which is more commonly used for tea. Definitely consider lemon balm. This citrusy herb adds a delightful zing to your tea. It's easy to grow and attracts beneficial insects to your garden. Lavender is one of my favorites. Not only does lavender make a fragrant tea, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your garden. Use English lavender for the best flavor. If you like a stronger lemon flavor, try lemon verbena. With its strong lemon scent and flavor, lemon verbena is a fantastic addition to your tea blends. It's a tender perennial, so it may need protection in colder climates. A classic for tea gardens in thyme, a versatile herb that pairs well with other tea herbs. Lemon thyme, in particular, offers a lovely citrus note. While not a traditional tea herb, rosemary can add a unique flavor to your blends. It's also a hardy plant that can withstand various growing conditions. Prepare your garden bed by loosening the soil and adding compost to enrich it. Plant your herbs according to their spacing requirements, giving them enough room to grow and spread. Water them thoroughly after planting to help them settle in. Herbs are generally low maintenance, but regular care will keep them thriving. Water them when the soil feels dry to the touch, and mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Trim your herbs regularly to encourage bushy growth and prevent them from flowering too early, which can reduce their flavor. Harvesting your tea herbs is easy. For leafy herbs like mint and lemon balm, simply snip the stems in the morning after the dew has dried. For flowers like chamomile and lavender, pick them just before they are fully open for the best flavor. Dry your herbs by hanging them upside down in a warm, dry place away from direct sunlight. Once dried, store them in airtight containers to preserve their freshness. Now you're ready to brew. Mix and match your dried herbs to create unique tea blends. Whether you're looking for a calming chamomile tea or a refreshing mint blend, your tea garden will provide endless possibilities. Want more green thumb secrets? Subscribe to Garden Bound and let's make your garden thrive together.